Alright, we're going to be talking about buildings and amenities in the Honors College. We're starting off in the basement where we have 2 laundry rooms, one in the basement of North and South. Right next to the laundry room in the North building, we have our rec room and our vending machines. There's also another set of vending machines on the first floor in the South building. All throughout the building, our lovely service staff members have put up signs to remind you of social distancing measures, so make sure to pay attention to those when you are walking around the building. Moving on to the first floor, we have our print station and our computer lab. The South Kitchen is located on the first floor of the South building, and the North Kitchen is right next to the lair in the basement. So around the Honors College, you're going to be seeing a lot of socially distanced measures, and one of these includes the lounges. So everything is very spread out, no furniture is to be moved at all. Moving back into the North building, we have the front desk. So if you have lost your key or your ID, go to the front desk immediately. You can get a loaner ID while you're waiting to get a new one, and if you lose your key, you will need to let the front desk know so they can get your lock record, and it costs money. So for lockout procedures, if you lock yourself out of your room, you can go to the front desk and get a temporary loaner key that you will need to return in a certain amount of time. If you have mail, you have a mailbox by the front desk, and when a packages come for you, you're going to receive an email, and you need to bring your PUID to the front desk to pick up your package. And for now, no items will be checked out from the desk to ensure the safety of students and residents, as we will not have the manpower to make sure everything is properly sanitized. Alright, so for internet, PAL 3.0 is the wired and wireless internet provider provided in all university residences. Modems and routers are installed in the university residences locations. Do not purchase or bring wireless routers, as this interferes with the Wi-Fi signals that are in place. Students distributing wireless signals will lose connectivity and will be handled as a conduct violation. You may also call the Resident Help Desk at 765-494-2200 for help. So for COVID-related connection notice, since there's going to be a lot of online academic curriculum and requirements, it's highly recommended that students bring an Ethernet cable to hardwire their computers for uninterrupted connectivity in the residence halls. For most rooms, a 20 to 30 feet Ethernet cable will suffice. Students with devices lacking a built-in Ethernet jack may also need a USB or Ethernet adapter. Moving on to the dining courts, the closest dining courts to the HCR are Windsor and Wiley, and they're only going to be serving takeout options with no indoor seating. Each facility will have 3 to 5 dining options for each mealtime, which includes an entree, dessert, side, fruit and vegetable, and a drink. If you have any maintenance issues, you're going to be filing a Fix-It, and all you have to do to get to this website is Google Purdue Fix-It, and it's going to be the first link that comes up. Alright, this is the last thing on this video. So trash and recycling. We've got a trash room on each floor and recycling bins on the main floor and in the dumpster area behind the South building.